making holiday mugs.
My ornaments, it says 2K23.
You got Miss Snow Woman, and you got
John Jellyfish.
Sitting here painting this whole time, like,
Guang.
Christmas themed mugs, okay?
Mug. Christmas.
Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Welcome back to day 6 of VLOGMAS. Today, I have Shakira
Nach'e.
Y'all, today we're gonna be making Christmas mugs and Christmas themed mugs, okay? Y'all see how she looking at me? Cause she already know.
Tissues.
Oh yeah.
Some paint, some mugs, and some water. And some brushes.
Oh yeah.
And we're painting cups any way we want to.
And then after we finish painting them, we gonna fry them up. We gonna
put them in the oven.
Bake them up, and then it should be stuck on there. You playing? We don't even got white.
No, I was looking for white because I was gonna paint my whole thing white.
I don't even know what I'm gonna do. This is empty. Oh my gosh, some of these is empty. I don't need to do every color because you done did every color.
Well, I was not gonna be the same.
I'm gonna wipe it down. Cause I don't know. Hopefully this stays. I really want it to stay.
And hopefully I don't see what I can see.
What you just do?
Just on my clothes.
I want y'all to see this paint. Like,
look at my paint.
Look at this paint. Like, who? Why? Just. So the way how she trying to sit here and play right now, she been sitting here painting this whole time. Like,
Guang.
the way she be trying to look, she done turned the water freaking like. I will see this, bro.
So I think I'm gonna do like.
We do not care.
Something on both sides, guys.
Look at you getting paint on here. Put something up under here.
I said I needed to use the grid first. I'm about to drill.
Put something up under there.
Quiet. This dirty ass tape.
So that don't mean you come over and
be quiet. Like you fuck up everything.
Y'all see how she be trying to cover me? Don't come. I did not send for her. They don't even got my favorite color up here, y'all.
What's your favorite color?
Orange.
I thought it was gonna be green because everybody's favorite color on orange.
No, it's not. Everybody's favorite color is purple.
And pink.
No, it's not. People's favorite color is not orange.
Comment y'all favorite color.
Duh, I love my supporters. That's why I make good ass content for y'all to watch me.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I messed up my ball.
Yeah, I keep messing mine up so it keep getting bigger and bigger.
White and gold. Turn the Christmas music up.
They're like, what's going on with my, you feel me?
Girl,
What?
trying to take my idea.
What? A snowman? I didn't even know you was doing a snowman.
I I said I was on the 2 sides.
What they gotta do with a snowman? Yeah, we barely got enough Christmas colors. I guess we got red and green, so that's all we really need.
All Christmas colors be asking.
This is my progress.
Oh my goodness. I just messed up my phone, y'all.
Yeah, I see how she just blames stuff on me. It just don't fail. Yeah, we only got one size brush, so that's crazy.
And my brush starting to go down shit. Water coming through it.
All we missing is the milk and cookies. Y'all want to see an update? Yeah, I'm going crazy over here.
Y'all don't know already, I'm kind of messy.
Y'all can see she is very messy. Very. Did I mention we was making holiday mugs?
Christmas theme holiday mugs.
For sure, right on.
10 out of 10.
What?
What would you want to say?
I'm kind of messing up my tree trying to talk to you. That's what she want me to do, y'all. She want me to mess up.
See how she blame me for everything? Yesterday, fuck you with me.
Girl, bye. You wish your cup was going this crazy.
Girl, it's okay. I'm gonna have duck besides. Bookie.
Give y'all update. Is you updating them?
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, what else?
Santa.
What else was Christmas? I was thinking Santa, but I don't have no... What, I'm gonna make him pink too? It's alright, I got an idea, y'all.
You better not tell my motherfucking idea, bro.
What's your idea?
I'm not telling you. What is that?
See? Look, y'all, she's trying to take my idea.
What is that?
Y'all see how crazy she just goes.
I'm looking pretty damn good. I'm fucking with it. Blue or pink? It's for the girlies.
Oh my goodness. Don't be getting stuff on me.
That's what I'm saying. Lisa can move
Right in.
on to shit. Oh shit.
Hold on, y'all. I think I messed up.
You trying to jellyfish?
Y'all, she's trying to come for me and I ain't sent her. It's crazy. It's like it's okay to mess up, but you don't want to mess up because you gotta erase so much.
Ooh, whoa.
Oh my goodness.
You got this. Just calm down.
I'm tired of starting over. Shakira got all the colors in the world over here.
You ain't gotta be plain and dry.
My John giving. I haven't edited my decoration. I gotta let this dry first. So I moved on. How you doing over there?
I'm doing pretty good. Pretty good. It's fucking harder though. Have to switch my brushes, guys. Get me a fresh brush. Brush.
So I went from wanting to make a stocking to making a hat, and I think it was a great adjustment. A great choice to switch.
I really feel like this green one is giving what I want it to give. Because I want to know how to paint. Now, I'm going to start on my last part before I finish these. That's this side. Alright, so I got this side, now I'm going to do this side.
Seriously.
What?
I'm painting every side. Yeah.
Every side.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't be messing stuff up while I'm trying to do something else.
That's why I ain't even touching it.
That's an absolute no-go. Alright, y'all. I finished my outline. Let me, give y'all a, you feel me? We start over here, you feel me? And then just take it around. You feel me? Now it's time to paint, give my snowman a face. It's a snow woman. Look at me.
Because Kamri jinxed it.
Y'all. No way y'all letting it slide.
Look at my ornaments.
Don't.
And then on this side, I got my presents. I'm about to wrap them in a motherfucking, gift box. The presents, I wrapped them. How beautiful. Oh, wait.
This coffee's so freaking good right now.
I wrapped my gifts, my presents, my gifts. It was so cute with the ornaments. My mug is muggy. My mug is muggy. My mug, muggy.
Oh my goodness. I'm trying to add details, and I'm not giving my cup enough paint. I'm not giving my paint enough time to dry, and it keep freaking moving. Yeah, only having one size brush this whole time been going crazy. For real. No space can be left untouched.
No. That was not the...
That was my goal. Alright, I think I'm done though. Yeah, I'm ready for my big reveal. You ready?
Yeah.
In the meantime, I managed to make some coffee, which has paint on it. And I baked us some cookies. I need to go check on them.
I think I did pretty damn good.
Me too.
Yeah, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! So I want to give y'all
A tour.
Okay, guys. So this is my cup, and these are my ornaments. It says 2K23. Yeah. And then you flip it to this side, and it says Happy Holidays. And I have some gifts, some big gifts, the big gifts. I got 5 gifts, and it's giving very much holiday.
Yes. So we're going to start off the mug by showing, really it's supposed to start right here. So you got some trees right here. You got the snow. You got Miss Snow Woman. And you got the trees with some decorations on them, some snow. And then right here we got Xmas, you know, that's abbreviation for Christmas, and that's the year 23 on the toboggan, because you know I'm like that. I'm really like that. Like, fashion is my line. No. And then so yeah, that's it. It's ready for a go.
Explain the yellow, please.
Oh, the yellow at the bottom is because it needed some personality. Instead of putting stars at the top, I just did the whole bottom yellow. Gang.